So if you're looking to schedule your Instagram post for a later date and time, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that all within the Instagram app. Let's jump in. Now to start with, you do need a professional account in order to be able to do this. Now, if you are on a personal account, I'll show you really easy how you switch that to a professional account so that you can schedule that. First, let me just go over to my personal account. We're going to tap on this, tap on the 3 lines up in the top right-hand corner. And then you just want to go and scroll down to, for professionals, click on account type and tools. And then there you could switch it to a professional account, or you could create a new account based on that. I'm just going to switch over to my existing business page. Once you have a professional account, then all you need to do to be able to schedule that is go to creating a post just like you normally would. You go to your post. I have a recent post here, so we're just going to take that one. And you could do all your editing of the image, add your description, do everything like you normally would. But instead of clicking the blue share button right away, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see more options. I'm going to click on that. And then you'll see right here towards the middle of the screen, schedule your post. Toggle that on. And then here you can set the date and time. So let's say I want to set it for later in the week. And we'll set a time, whatever you want, and go done. And now you can see that's scheduled for a later date and will be posted that way. Now, when you click share, you can see that it is now scheduling that post for later. And just that simple, it'll have the post scheduled. And if you want to review that, you click on the plus sign again, just like you're going to go back to your posts. You can see here now, you can see the scheduled. You could click on that and it'll have all of them listed out that you have scheduled. Click on next, and you can see here that you have that post is scheduled for the later date. So no matter what I'm doing or where I'm at, or if I have the app open or not, it will post that automatically for me. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.